Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with properly pressed, fully dried specimens. That matters because moisture skews color correction. Once the flower is scanned at 300-600 dpi with a neutral gray card, import the file into a RAW-capable editor and duplicate the layer so you always preserve the original. Make sure to set color profile to Adobe RGB or sRGB depending on output. Begin by using the white balance or temperature tool to neutralize the gray card. This establishes a true baseline before any creative adjustments. Now you move into precise adjustments. Use HSL/selective color to target petal hues because global tweaks will damage stem and background tones. Once done, refine brightness and contrast with curves per RGB channel. Lift midtones carefully and protect highlights and shadows to retain texture. Make localized fixes with layer masks and a low-opacity brush so edges stay natural. Also use vibrance rather than saturation for controlled color boost. Make iterative small changes and toggle the layer. Finish by applying subtle sharpening and appropriate noise reduction. You want crisp veins without grain. Once done, soft-proof using the printer or web profile and export with the embedded color profile required for your output. Make test prints at intended size to confirm perceived color. Viewing on a calibrated monitor versus an uncalibrated screen will differ, so always compare. If colors shift in print, recheck white balance, adjust curves for the target profile, and iterate. This troubleshooting reset usually corrects persistent biases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.